Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn home science updated. Begin by practicing one core skill each week and set small goals you can finish in 30 to 60 minutes, like mastering a basic soup or a simple stitch. Use a notebook to track what works and what fails, and repeat steps until confident. Keep resources simple, use free videos, and practice with real tasks around the house for faster learning. Start by learning how macronutrients work and how portion sizes affect energy and health. Cook a simple balanced meal 3 times to understand flavors and timing, then adjust ingredients for preferences. Keep a running list of pantry staples and their uses to avoid waste and save money. Taste intentionally, take notes, and share experiments with friends or family to get feedback and build confidence in everyday cooking. Thanks for staying tuned, and if this video is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more practical lessons. Quick recommendation. I found Dollar Banknote The Simple Path to Wealth a useful companion for home budgeting and long-term planning, and it pairs well with the meal and savings tips I covered. Look in the description for the link and other deals, and if you pick it up, it might change how you plan money. Now let's get back to the video. Focus on systems that reduce stress and save time, such as a rotating cleaning checklist and a meal plan linked to a grocery list. Track spending for 1 month to see where you can cut costs or reallocate funds. Set up zones in your home for work, rest, and chores to keep things efficient. Use timers, labels, and simple storage solutions to maintain order and make daily life smoother and more predictable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.